Honda in Formula One has always stood for one thing: engineering obsession and a sound you never forget. And in 2026, Honda begins a new chapter in Formula One, this time with Aston Martin, a new partnership, new regulations, and a completely new power unit. The 2026 rules change how Formula One cars generate and deploy power, how energy is used, how the engine works across an entire lap, and ultimately, how the car sounds. So when Honda released official audio from its next-generation power unit, the question wasn't just what we were hearing, but what it tells us about the next era of Formula One. What you're about to hear is official Honda audio, presented here with a custom visualizer. Turn your volume up, because the shifts tell the real story.